to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody touched me in the...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be attempting to do the bold cap method to lay down my wig. Now this was my first time and I've watched loads of tutorials of other people doing it, but I've never actually tried it myself. So I thought I was going to challenge myself, because the people that I see do this method, their wigs melt like butter. Literally it blends in like seamlessly. So I thought I wanted to give it a go. So I tried my best. I think it looks good. I think it looks good. It's been so long since I've had black hair and I never wear a middle part in, so that's exciting. But I really love this. I'm quite proud of myself. I think it looks quite good. It blends in really well. This is what it looks like. Don't clock me if there's mistakes, you know, because this is my first time trying this way, so please have mercy on me. But yeah, I think it came out really good. If you want to see how I laid and slayed this wig, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to be trying out the bold cap method today, just so that I can get a really seamless melt. Now this is my first time, so I'm just going to follow what I've seen people do. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it goes well. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to try it. So from what I've seen, the first thing that people do is start by gelling back their edges. So that's what I'm going to do now. And I'm just going to be using the got2b styling glue. So for your wig cap, it's important that you use a wig cap that is really close to your complexion. So you can either get one that's lighter and then you can put your foundation on it, or if you can find one that matches your complexion close enough, then use that one. So I am using this wig cap and it's in the shade light brown, I believe. And because my cornrows are quite long, I like to just tuck them back up on themselves and just kind of put them in between the gaps. And you want to basically pull your wig cap over your hairline, over your ears. Make sure that everything is covered. I know I look crazy right now, but this is all part of the plan. Then what you want to do is basically spray all along your hairline, and I'm using my got2b spray. And for the ear tabs, to get this bit as flat as possible, you want to just cut where your ears are, and then you just tuck the wig cap behind your ears. Gets it nice and flat. So now the cutting begins. Oh my god. So this is how we're looking. I don't know if this is good or bad. Some of my edges are peeking through. I don't know if that's gonna be a problem, but this is kind of how it looks like when I see people on YouTube do it. So we'll see how it goes. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some foundation on the front of this wig cap to try and blend it into my skin, and we'll see how it looks once I've done that. So the next step will then be to apply the wig, and today I'm using a wig from Nadula hair, and this is the Brazilian straight in, I believe, 20 inches. I will double check and I'll leave that in the description box. And this is how it comes in a box like this. This is what the hair looks like. So I have washed it, well, I bleached the knots and then obviously washed it out, so it's a little bit crinkly right now, but I'm going to be straightening that later on. So what I'm going to do is just cut the lace off the back, and then I will put the wig on. Before I put the wig on, I'm just going to apply a little bit of foundation to the inside of the lace, because this lace is a little bit dark for me. So I'm just going to try to lighten it up by adding some of my foundation on the inside. Okay, so the way I'm going to apply this is I'm literally going to just spray along, following the lines of the wig cap, and then I'm going to stick the lace down and then cut off the excess. So wherever there isn't spray, the hair shouldn't stick there. Hopefully that's the plan. We'll see how that goes. Okay, you guys, so this is how we're looking. We're looking laid. So I'm going to cut the excess lace off. I need to get really close to my mirror to do this, so okay, so this is how we're looking right now. I don't think I did a bad job, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go clean up the edges, and I'm going to style my hair and do my face, and then I will be back. So this is how the hair is looking, and I'm quite proud of myself actually. I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, I can definitely improve, but I think I did a good job. I'm not gonna lie, this method is long. It takes so long to do this. Literally, like, you need to actually give yourself 3 hours. And obviously for me it took a long time because it's my first time, so maybe in time I'll get a little bit quicker as I get better. But this took a long time, but I'm not mad at it. I think it looks really good. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Is she looking natural or not? So as I mentioned, this hair is from Nadula hair, and this is the Brazilian straight hair, and this is so beautiful. So I'm gonna give you some pros and some cons on this hair. So this wig was already made. I didn't buy bundles. It was already a pre-made wig. And in terms of the cons, I will say that the parting space doesn't go back very far. It was supposed to be a 13x6 frontal, but it's actually a 13x4, and I actually measured it because I was thinking this isn't right, and it's just a little bit less than 4 inches deep. So that's that, keep that in mind. And what else would be a con? Oh, and also the lace was slightly too dark for me. It may work for somebody else if you're darker than myself, but the lace was a little bit too dark, so that would be the only other negative that I would say about this. In terms of the pros, this hair, so silky. What? So silky and so soft. Literally, it's just like butter. It feels like butter. It literally feels like butter. It's so silky, oh my god, and so smooth. And this wig was pre-plucked, and honestly I haven't plucked anything. I have not tweezed a thing. And look at the hairline, please. I mean, if I wanted to be picky, I could go in and take a little bit off the sides, but you don't need to. Like, so this is what I would call beginner friendly, because if you don't know how to pluck, you know, your frontals, you don't know how to do anything, you can literally take this wig out of the box and put it straight on your head and it will look beautiful. So I would say that that is a plus. Another thing is that shipping is super quick. It literally arrived within 3 days. It was sent out on Monday, arrived by Wednesday, so beautiful. But if you're looking for some hair, I would definitely recommend this wig. It saves you so much time because you don't have to make it yourself. It comes like perfect. Literally perfect, out of the box, straight on my head. Well, no, I did bleach the knots. Yeah, I bleached the knots, that's all I did, nothing else. So that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and that is all from me. Have a wonderful day, evening, weekend, weekday, whatever time you're watching today's video. Take care and stay blessed. Bye.